What are object pronouns? Welcome to my channel. I'm Layla. I would be happy if you like and subscribe me. The position of the object pronoun in the sentence. After the main verb plus object pronouns. Now verb, him, object pronouns. Him after now. I know him. Can you help me? Me, object pronouns. Help, main verb. Me, after, help. Can you help me? Look at this picture. Look at this picture. I and me. Me is object pronouns for I. Example: don't look at me. You don't like me. She saw me. Me, object pronouns after main verb. She and her. Her is object pronouns for she. Example: she has blues. She likes her blues. Her after likes. Like is verb main.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever
Him,
feel
object pronouns for he. Example: he has
with me like cats in the
hands.
street. You don't understand the pain of
He
you
likes
don't ever wanna
him
give me wings.
hands.
You don't
Him
ever wanna set me
after
free.
likes. Object pronouns after the main verb. Him after likes. Us is object pronouns. He talks to us every day. He talks to us. Talks is main verb. Us is object pronouns after talks. Them is object pronouns for they. Example: I take them to a walk. If you like it, please like and subscribe. It object pronoun for it. I want it. Do you like it? It after verb. Verb is want. I want it. It after like. Like is main verb. Do you like it?